Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So we have a job update that is Smart Brains. So Smart Brains is hiring for all graduates. So the job location is Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore as well as Noida. So these are the various job location they are hiring for. So now we shall quickly see the description of the job. So number of positions they are hiring is 2000. So there are enormous opportunities for freshers. So you can apply for this. So the description is that you need to have a good knowledge in the installation of hardware and software. And second thing is that you need to work on client servers like Windows, Linux as well as Unix, and also work on various software applications. So these are the small description for the job role. So next thing is this is the eligibility criteria as well as the qualification is it is BTech for all branches except biotechnology. And so they are hiring for BCA students, MCA graduates, BSc who have done in computer science. And the batch is 2018, 2019, 2020 as well as 2021. And the percentage or you can say aggregate is 60% in throughout, that is 10th, 12th as well as in graduation. And then we shall see the CTC, that is salary, it is 2.2 LPA for initial 6 months, so in which it will be a training period. So after that, once you complete your training for 6 months, then your salary will be 2.7 LPA. So interview process is online or it can be offline also, it depends on the company. So then we shall see what are the skills that are needed. So this job role, that is Smart Brains, anyone can apply. It can be BCA graduates like Bachelor of Computer Applications, and BE students, that is Bachelor of Engineering, even they are eligible to apply. BE or BTech students, and then BSc graduates, that is Bachelor of Science as well as MCA, Master of Computer Applications. So the skills required for this job role is that your communication should be good as well as you should have some knowledge of networking and also some knowledge of Linux as well as Unix. So they are looking for just two skills, that is communication and networking, and there are enormous positions and you can quickly go and apply for this. So this is all about the Smart Brains and the link for the application. So the link will be provided in the description. You can go and quickly apply for this. So there are various positions for this job role. So don't wait for much time. Just go and apply. So just click on the description link and apply for the job. So it is applicable for all degree graduates, that is BE, BTech, BSc graduates, everyone, as well as the year of pass out is again 2018, 19, 20, 21. And there are 4 job locations, that is Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore and Noida. So just go and apply for this. Thank you friends for watching and do subscribe our channel for more updates.